Welcome back, y'all, to Harmon Homestead. Guys, I told you we got a lot coming out this week. This video has been pre-filmed. I'm going to just throw it out there, okay? Guys, we are super busy right now. We've got a lot of projects going on here. So I want to tell you about a new little thing we're doing. We did a video on homesteading books, and now I want to talk to you about homesteading cookbooks. Now, I collect cookbooks. I probably have 200 to 300 cookbooks. I know. That's just what I like, okay? Down through the years, I've collected them, and I love to cook. But you need to have cookbooks and learn how to cook if you are new to homesteading, or even if you've been doing it forever. You need to learn what to do with your food, because 90% of homesteading is all around food. You've got to know how to grow your food, how to preserve your food, and how to cook your food. This is how you're going to save money, okay? Get all the recipes you can. It's great to go online. People post these all the time. But guys, you're going to be more apt to save money and cook out of a cookbook that you have in your house. I like paper. I like tangible things, because guess what? You share a recipe on Facebook and then it's gone the next day. Or this content is not available. You need to get cookbooks, okay? I love it. Get in the kitchen and learn how to cook. These are my favorite cookbooks. I'm not an affiliate with any of these authors, these books. It's just me sitting at my dining room table showing you what has taught me how to cook through the years, because no one really showed me. So these are my favorite. I've got a ton more, but I just picked these the most used, okay? If you would like to purchase these, I'll put the link below in the description, again, just to help you out, because these have helped me so much. So let me start out with my favorite cookbook, Bless Your Heart. This book right here, I had never even heard of anyone having this around here. This is my tried and true recipe standard, okay? Southern cooking at its finest. It has everything broke down in here, from church potluck to stuff for bridal showers to whatever. This book right here, it is loaded with recipes that do not take a lot of ingredients. And every ingredient in here is something you'll find at Piggly Wiggly, okay? You don't have to go to Whole Foods to find some kind of herb to put in this stuff, okay? It's regular old Southern recipes. This is what I use. Backwards fours is dog-eared, okay? I use this at least once a week. I love this book, Bless Your Heart, by Patsy Caldwell and Amy Lyles Wilson. Get the book, okay? That's my favorite. Now, next. This book right here, you can't even see it because it's so used. This come from my mother. It is called Calling All Cooks. Alabama did this years ago. I'm going to say in the 80s. There was a telephone company, and they took up everybody's best recipes from the state. They did 4 editions of these. A yellow, a red, a blue, and a green. I have all 4. These were passed down to me from my mother. This right here is the best of the best. It has everything you'll ever need in these books, okay? Everything you will ever need. You might have chocolate cake in here. They won't give you 1 recipe. They'll give you 10, okay? They give you the best of the best from everybody around. Everybody submitted this, and then here you go. Calling All Cooks. That's a standard. I use it. Christmas, Thanksgiving, stuff like that. Right here, okay? Right here. More of day-to-day is going to be this, but this has anything you'll ever want to need. It even has how to preserve stuff in the back, so tons of stuff. All right, next. I love Alabama. I'm from Alabama, and this young lady is from Alabama as well. Brenda Gant, if y'all ever heard of her. She taught me how to make biscuits. Now, my great-grandmother tried to years ago. I was very young, probably 3 or 4. This lady has a Facebook page, Brenda Gant. Go check her out. And she's known for her biscuits, but she does all sorts of recipes on here. I have her cookbook. It's great. In fact, I fixed my holiday meals out of this last year. She tries to be economical, shows you hard time foods, shows you how to just cook the basic stuff, and she's very inspiring and says, hey, you can cook. It doesn't matter if you're 20, if you're 100, whatever, you can get in the kitchen and cook. And she's very inspiring. So I love Brenda Gant's book. She has 2. I have the other one in my kitchen. I just grabbed the first one here. This is her very first cookbook. It's great. Check out her Facebook page. She posts herself cooking all this all the time too, if somebody needs a visual on how to actually do it. All right. Next, Southern Living. I have just about everything they've ever made. I love Southern Living recipes. I love their cookbooks, but this right here is my favorite. Their heirloom recipe cookbook. Guys, this is the only cornbread recipe I use is in this book. What they do is they show you old-fashioned recipes, and then they'll do like the old and the new. This right here is everything you need to know how to be a Southern cook in here. Some of it's pretty advanced, some of it is not as advanced, but it's all down through the years. A lot of recipes from the 50s. It's just a great treasure to have, and this is really every Southern meal that you'll need to know how to cook. This is more showing you how to cook as well, so I love that recipe. All right, next to last, Fix It and Forget It, Christmas Slow Cooker Feast. Guys, if it's spiral bound like this, that's what I love. It's a collection of recipes, kind of like the Calling All Cooks. So this is from people all around that have submitted this stuff. In this book, I paid $3.99 at Ollie's. It's got 650 slow cooker recipes. Guys, if you can't cook anything, use a slow cooker. Some of my best stuff comes out of a crock pot. I kid you not. This right here is great. They have, it's not just Christmas. They have all different kind of recipe books, recipe event things, whatever. Easy peasy. This right here, Fix It and Forget It. And kind of similar to that, guys, I love Gooseberry Patch. Gooseberry Patch spiral bound cookbooks here, grandma's favorites. They've got, I mean, a bazillion, and I have all but I think 2. Again, a collection of recipes here. Great stuff, easy stuff, and you'll notice these books have like 5 ingredients per recipe. It's very simple. They've even got a book on that. Very simple, easy stuff that people can fix and you can put on the table at night. It does not take a lot of time. It does not take a lot of effort. You just need to get in there and cook. But homesteading, guys, y'all, is all about food. So you need to learn how to cook. So with those books I just showed you, it'll teach you how to cook. It'll show you some easy stuff. And it's kind of an assortment here. Now, I lean towards Southern food. That's all we eat. But guys, you can find different cookbooks in your area on different type things. I have Appalachian cooking cookbooks. That's a little bit different than just Southern. Each region you go in will have different types of foods, different types of cookbooks, but these are just kind of standards that you can use to get in the kitchen. The more you're in the kitchen, the more you save money, I promise you. And it's just a good time to bond with your family. You're accomplished, you're putting up your food, you're putting your food on the table to eat, use, and become sustainable. You don't have to go buy food from everywhere. You don't have to go buy takeout. You choose to if you want to, okay? So guys, get in the kitchen, cook. If you'd like to purchase these, they're gonna be in the description below. We got a lot coming out this week, guys, so hold on tight with us. Thank you to all the new subscribers, and thank you to everyone that's watching and supporting this channel. We'll see you guys next time on Harmon Homestead.